I found in political meetings many people saying to me, why doesn't the National Party repudiate the Treaty of Waitangi? I have never wanted to repudiate the Treaty of Waitangi, even as a political stunt. The treaty is a very, very important document. Every New Zealander has the rights and privileges of a British subject.
So this judge wants to proceed. They know that they cannot proceed with the Admiralty jurisdiction under that New Zealand flag on a native sovereign of this land, wearing this flag, which recognises the sovereign nation of this land. And so they've asked me to take it off, otherwise they'll threaten me with imprisonment. So it puts me in a bit of a predicament because technically it's an act of war and they're using piracy on the land. And, but I don't want to be separated from my family, so we'll see how it goes.
Recognising my rights as tangata whenua. Are you recognising my rights?
Sorry, right here, it's at section 347, application there.
I'm not a mister, sir. Sign off. I'll stay here. So, you're on your oath, by the way, sir. On and for the record, are you denying that you have to provide jurisdiction, your proof of jurisdiction in this land?
This is your application under section 347 of December and the 16th of December.
Sir, as per my notice today, any plea that I've made into this court has been revoked until such time as this court's authority has been. If you provide these basics, which are international basics of law, this court's lawful authority in this land, and your writ of commission, where that source came from, and your nationality, then I'm quite happy to proceed with the jurisdiction. But until that time, how can I be sure that I'm in a court of law of this land? I can't. So let's not talk about the subject matter until we've actually established who you are and how you got here. Is it the Treaty of Waitangi, sir? Is this where the lawful authority came from? Because I have a copy here. Would you answer that question?
I'm not here to answer questions at all. I just want to hear what you want to say about this application.
I have nothing to say about it. As I said, I've revoked my plea until this court and you have established your credentials. Have you got your writ of commission here? You got evidence of your oath? What is your nationality? Not consent to consideration in this jurisdiction. I have not made a plea to this court. I cannot talk subject matter jurisdiction. We cannot talk adjudication, sir, until you've established that you have subject matter jurisdiction. How clear? I've put it in writing. You've had hours. You've had all day, and you've got plenty of staff here to provide those things. These should be on hand. This is an international standard. How am I to know who I'm dealing with? At your request, and let's just imagine that you've taken that flag off, and let's recognise that we're in this land here. We're on land. Admiralty law doesn't apply. So, where did this court's authority come from in this land? Is it the Treaty of Waitangi, sir?
Make two documents available, maybe of assistance to Your Honour. I'll make copies of what's available for the friend.
Sorry, I can't accept anything from this court until it's proved.
Print out from Adams as to section 192, subsection 2, which is of course a section under which a single count is laid. Secondly, a case Court of Appeal Health with Wikikera and Wikikera just makes it clear, if it wasn't already so, sir, that there's right to enter into land in similar type circumstance. Three ingredients for a charge. the point to act in the execution of his duty, and the commentary to that section assists there. Execution of duty is defined quite widely.
So if you cannot establish your jurisdiction,
Don't interrupt.
then perhaps you're not relating to me.
Or have you removed from the court?
Well, if this matter cannot proceed until you've established jurisdiction,
Just be quiet, please, Chairman.
so you're trying to proceed in this matter without jurisdiction. Is this relating to me as tangata whenua, sir? Well, this matter is dismissed.